Hi, I'm Janet Bloomberg. I'm an architect, and this is my house. Come on with me and let's go in. We bought the house in 2011, and when we first got it, it was not renovated at all. I think it had been done in the 1970s. Designed by Charles Goodman, who's a mid-century modern architect. And so we wanted to preserve the original structure because it's a very valuable structure as is. So in order to do the new addition that we did, we took out a room that was here, which was an office, and gained a dining room. And then we removed this wall to the outside and added the addition from here. So this is where it starts, and this is where the original house ends. The patio, we made it continuous with a door there from the addition straight out. There had been a sliding door here, but I wanted to continue the line of 7 fixed windows, which I think is beautiful and makes for a really beautiful vista from the living room. All the yards of the Goodman homes are quite large as suburban yards go. We landscaped the back, so it's all going to be eventually grown in as a kind of green cover for that area. As an architect who designs interiors as well, lighting and light fixture selection and light color is all very important to what we do. So we really evaluate how lighting affects a space and what kind of lighting should be in a space. This is a light by Bruck. It's a little reading light, which again, really gives quite a bright light. We really wanted this room to feel like an indoor-outdoor room, and the best way to do that is multi-slide or folding doors. We decided to go with the multi-slide because they stay flat in the track. So they're in a flush track, they're 8 feet tall by 16 feet long, there's 4 of them, and we can then open this entire space. The old house is a simple pitched roof house. We took the same concept and we split it apart and made for a flat ceiling between. We used a combination of concrete, board, steel, and metal roofing material. So the metal roofing material actually wraps down from the roof to the side of the building. And then we also used Virock cement board for the link from the old to the new. And I did that in order to have it look like a landscape wall. So we really wanted to play that up, and we decided to do a green roof, put a green roof on top of that. And I would say it's one of the best things that we did on this project.